to, I won't say impose my ideas onto them, but I used to convince very hard, saying that नहीं यही अच्छा दिखेगा, you take this.
Right.
And I never thought of the client, having his own ideas and taking them forward. So this is one story. After I closed down that business and started working with others. That's when I realized that in the office segment that we work in now, the services play a very important part. When I say services, it means electrical, AC, fire, security, networking, and all that. Unfortunately, they are always neglected, because what people look at it is what is the color, how is the ceiling, how is the flooring, how is it looking. Nobody, unfortunately, looks at how is it performing.
The functional aspect.
The functional aspect. How is it looking? Everybody says wow on day one. How is it performing? The client comes to know from day two. And if there are any glitches, they continue to remain for next 15 years till the time the client is occupying that office.
Right.
So it's extremely important for office designers to make sure that the technicalities are taken care of to the last T, so that the office just not looks good, it also functions or performs absolutely as per what the client needs and without any glitches. This was the second learning. And that's exactly why the name Beyond Design, because we believe we go beyond the design aspect of a project and give that extra mile effort towards the technical aspects of a project, so that it just doesn't look good but it also performs well. After that, after starting Beyond Design, our approach has always been that let us look at the project from client's perspective. What is it that the client wants? What are his thoughts about look and feel? Let us take them forward.
Right.
See, end of the day, my service is not like a painter. A painter would, paint whatever he wants or whatever he has in his mind and then sell it.
Correct.
My service is spending a lot of money on behalf of the client and making sure that I am creating something which he likes, not something which I like. So it's extremely important for me to be in his shoes and look at the whole thing from his eyes.
Right.
That's what we understood, realized, and that's what we've been doing for last 10 years.
Right.
And I think that's where the success of all our project lies, because of that, none of our project looks similar to the other one. Every project looks distinctively different.
Because the client changes.
Because the client changes. Everybody has their own opinion. And some of our most recognized, awarded projects have been where the client has given a vision and he has given us a free hand to create.
Right.
See, if you hold a designer, then you don't get that creativity. Wherever the client has given us an absolute free hand, in terms of creativity, I'm saying, not in terms of cost.
Yeah.
So we understand that there is going to be a cost factor involved and we have to be within the cost that the client wants.
Right.
But wherever they have given us a free hand in terms of design, those projects are the most awarded projects till now.
So if I may just summarize your design approach, like if I could say it started with aesthetics, then the function part got added as you move forward, then a lot of clients' perspective got added.
Correct.
And would that summarize in a way that, in a very, very small way, that's what Beyond Design is being able to deliver the most today?
So today we've been able to deliver to clients' expectation in terms of cost, in terms of time, and in terms of design. That's where all three corners of the triangle we've been able to touch upon.